Hello, everyone. My name is John Hardt. I'm the director of the Low Income Taxpayer Clinic at Maryland Volunteer Lawyer Service. And I'm here today to just talk to you very quickly about what you can get help with at a tax problem solving day. A tax problem solving day usually refers to an event um, where it's either put on by the Taxpayer Advocate Service, an independent organization within the IRS, or they're one of the attendees. Sometimes other organizations use it as well, so it really depends on what organizations are going to be there at this event. So I'll start off. If we're at the event, we're an LITC, a low income taxpayer clinic. We offer free legal representation to people who are in a tax dispute. So if they're in disagreement with the IRS or the Maryland Comptroller, we can connect you with a volunteer attorney and maybe even give you, brief legal advice at the event. If a VitaSite is at the event, or a VitaSite running organization is at the event, they're going to offer appointments in actually preparing tax returns, and also helping with some more technical information about how you can prepare your returns in the future, answer some questions about particular tax credits and so forth. If the Taxpayer Advocate Service is there, as I mentioned, they are an independent organization within the IRS, but they're going to have some really useful features there as well. So they can pull tax transcripts if you need information from the IRS about what they say you owe, what your income was reported as for a particular year to help you file. So that can be very helpful. They also can sort of help you navigate some IRS internal processes if they aren't really working for you. It's a really great resource if the Taxpayer Advocate Service is there. You can talk through federal tax issues with them as if you were on the phone with the IRS in some cases, but then also, you get to do it face to face, and it can be really helpful. And then also, if the Maryland Comptroller is there, or a state tax agency, if you're watching this outside of Maryland, they can sometimes provide some of the same services as the Taxpayer Advocate Service, talking about state collections, maybe pulling state transcript information for you, figuring out what the state thinks you owe, figuring out what your income was reported to them as. It gives you an opportunity to sit down and talk face to face with somebody about your state tax issue, who's in the state income tax system, and can maybe try to figure out why things aren't working the way they should be working, or talk through options with you about repayment or filing amended returns. And of course, all the better if all of these organizations are at the same event, because that saves you a lot of time in going back and forth between them, having to sit and wait on the phone to talk with like 3 different agencies. Events where all of these guys are at the same place, they're really good. So keep an eye out for these events. I know the Cash Campaign is offering several of these events the summer of 2025. So check them out at cashmd.org for more information on those. Thank you.